For decades, controlling motion in 3 dimensions has meant complex, exposed, and failure-prone mechanics. Gimbals, motors, and drive shafts all suffer from wear, require maintenance, and can't operate everywhere. In space, reaction wheels saturate and become useless spinning masses. What if there was a better way? A system with no external moving parts, capable of precise tri-axis control in the most demanding environments. Introducing the angular momentum-based rotational control device, a revolutionary, self-contained system for rotational control. What you're seeing is a simulation of this patented system in action. Inside the non-magnetic housing, magnetically responsive rolling elements are propelled along multiple closed-loop paths by a series of electromagnetic actuators. These paths are oriented both longitudinally and latitudinally, forming complete circuits around the inner surface of the spherical housing. This is Newton's third law in its most elegant form. The system operates on the principle of conservation of angular momentum. As the internal elements accelerate, they generate angular momentum, which induces an equal and opposite reactive torque on the spherical housing. This is what creates powerful, controlled rotation, all with zero external moving parts. This breakthrough unlocks new possibilities. It's a scalable and elegant solution for spacecraft attitude control, advanced robotics, high-performance camera gimbals, and even medical prosthetics. At the heart of the device is a sophisticated control system designed for ultimate precision. To achieve this, the system uses a suite of embedded sensors to create a complete feedback loop. Hall effect sensors continuously measure the exact speed of the internal ball bearings. Tilt sensors monitors the sphere's orientation in real time. This constant stream of data allows the control system to intelligently adjust the power sent to the electromagnets, perfectly matching the actual rotation to the desired speed. The future of rotation is internal. To learn more about licensing this patented technology, contact us today.